Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind.
Hello everybody, how's it going? In this video, you'll learn how to make anything talk.
But keep this in mind. With this technology, it's not just cute things that can talk. I can too.
Just a heads up, if you don't hit that like button, I might have to pay you a visit tonight. Trust me, you don't want that.
You heard that, old rascal. Smash that like button and let's get this madness started.
Hello everybody, welcome to the channel Can AI Do It? And today I'm gonna be showing you how to make anything talk. If you have been online lately, you probably might have seen these kind of shorts where you have animals or other creatures speaking, singing, dancing, and so many more things. These shorts are fun, and as you can see, they attract a lot of followers. The best of all, they are very easy to create. In this video, I will be focused 100% on how to make the images talk. If you want to see a complete video on how to use Google VEO and all its features, click on this video on the screen or have a look at the description, because we already have one video telling you everything that you need to know about this tool. Another account that is doing very well with this method is this account called AI StealthFlow. If you have a look at the videos, they are very funny. And if you click here on the link tree, you can see that they are selling a course priced at $18.95 to teach you exactly what I'm going to be showing you now and what I showed you in the video that is linked on the description. So again, if you want to save this money, check that video as well. Let's get started. So the first thing that you need to make this method work very well is an image. So you can use either Midjourney, Leonardo, or any other image generator tool to create your image. Once you have it, I recommend you to come to ChatGPT and then you are gonna upload your image. Once you upload your image, you want to tell ChatGPT that you want it to create a prompt, and in this prompt you need to have three main things: a pre-action, a main action, and a camera technical details. You can specify to the tool that you want a prompt to be created for Google VEO 03. And then if you want as well, if you have ideas of the sounds and things like that, you can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt with those sounds. Otherwise, you can ask it what sort of sound should the video clip have. And then the most important thing is, all that you need to know is what you want, your idea for the image. In this case here, this is my idea for the image. And most important of all, what do you want the image to speak needs to be put between quotation marks. So for example, in this case here, did you know that red meat is not good for you? That's what the journalist said in this clip.
Did you know that red meat is not good for you?
Do you know the difference between this steak and your opinion? I asked for the steak.
So as you can see, I need to put it between quotation marks. And then we have here the man say, and as you can see, I can even specify the way that the man answered. In this case, in a sarcastic way. You can also specify the accent. And once you do this, ChatGPT will create for you the prompt. Usually it creates in sections, but what you can do is just ask ChatGPT to put everything together in one prompt, which is what I asked here. Once you do that, all that you need to do is just copy and paste. Then you come back to Flow. You come here to new project, then you specify frames to image, select the image you want, you copy your prompt here, and you just make sure that you select the right model. In my case, I'm using VEO 3 Fast. Then you can see that every generation costs 20 credits, and in this case, I am creating only one video. You can choose up to 4 videos at once. And that's all, guys. This is as simple as this. All that you need is an image and to prompt it correctly. What you can do using ChatGPT and following the formula that I showed you, which is to have the pre-action, main action, and camera technical details. By following this, you can have fun shots just like this one here. And if you want, you can even create your own YouTube account or TikTok account with your own ideas and see how it goes. If you are having problems to create some videos, have a look at this page here, because in here they specify exactly what can be created or not using Google VEO 3. That's all for this video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I will be teaching you a lot of different things that can be done with AI. Thank you so much for having watched this video. See ya next time. Take care.